People say CDSL is better because it charges more fees. But then why does NSDL even exist? Do you think retail investors choose NSDL or CDSL because one charges less fees? Let me break this big myth. Yes, NSDL charges lower fees compared to CDSL, but that's because NSDL deals mainly with institutions, not small retail clients. Institutions negotiate fees, retail investors don't.
Yes, CDSL dominates retail because it partnered early with discount brokers, built scalable tech, and rode the retail boom after 2020.
So, retail growth followed broker infrastructure, not fee comparison. Most retail investors don't actually choose NSDL or CDSL at all. Your broker decides which depository your Demat account is opened with, not you. Whether you use Zerodha, Grow, Upstock, or a bank, the broker is already tied to either NSDL or CDSL. And when I say NSDL has a strong institutional base, this is what it means. NSDL holds Demat account of mutual funds, insurance companies, banks, FPIs, pension funds. NSDL has fewer accounts, but each account holds massive value. CDSL has crores of small retail accounts, whereas NSDL has fewer accounts, but each account holds massive value.
Don't confuse number of accounts with value of assets. One mutual fund account can also hold thousands of crores. That money sits in NSDL.
NSDL is not a fast-moving fintech stock. It is a capital market infrastructure business.
When market grows, asset value grows. And when asset value grows, NSDL revenue grows. Slow, stable and predictable. Important part, even if retail investors stay with CDSL, NSDL still grows when India market grows.
Because when mutual fund AUM increases, SIP money rises, insurance penetration expands, pensions and NPS money grows, bonds, ETF, real estate investment and infrastructure investment trusts expand. All this money is held and settled through NSDL.
They market value NSDL conservatively.
But when markets start rewarding stability, monopoly-like businesses, cash flow certainty, NSDL can see valuation re-rating.
Remember this clearly. CDSL wins on retail volumes and margin, whereas NSDL wins on institutional values and stability. Try for real stock market understanding, not noise.